Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. BBQ season is around the corner. I want to share some recipes that are perfect for outdoor barbecue and celebrate Memorial Day. Let's get started. The first simple recipe is grilled bacon rolls. To begin, let's cut some cucumber sticks. Here's one bag of smoked bacon. You can pick any type of flavor to match your preference. Place the bacon flat on the board, add in the cucumber stick and some enoki mushroom, and then roll the bacon. Lastly, a toothpick to hold the bacon in place. That's it. Isn't it super easy? For the second recipe, I will make non-spicy pineapple chicken skewers and jalapeno chicken skewers. To marinate the chicken, I will be using 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon sesame oil, half teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon margarine, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon tapioca starch, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Mix all the ingredients until well combined. Then put them in the fridge overnight. Next, we are going to cut a fresh pineapple. Cut off both ends. To trim the skin, place the pineapple with the flat side down on the cutting board to keep it stable. Try to cut deep enough into the flesh that most of the dark eyes are removed. If there is still some left, you can repeat cutting until all the dark eyes are removed, but I don't like this method because it wastes a lot of pineapple. I prefer to do it this way. I place the pineapple down and carefully cut away the dark eyes while making V-shaped cuts as I rotate around the pineapple. Next, cut the pineapple into half. Run the knife through the two pieces lengthwise to create 4 quarters. Remove the core and cut the pineapple into slices. Half the jalapeno, remove the seeds and membrane, then cut them into 3 pieces. Remember to wear gloves to avoid hand burning. I soaked the bamboo skewers overnight to avoid it burning when we start grilling. Thread 1 piece of chicken on the skewer, add the jalapeno, chicken, jalapeno, and chicken again. The spicy jalapeno chicken skewer is done. The non-spicy version is similar. Instead of jalapeno, we use pineapple like this. Now everything is prepared, let's start grilling. Place the bacon rolls and chicken skewers on the grill in medium to low heat. Close the lid. After 5 minutes, turn the skewers and cook for another 8 minutes. Optionally, you can brush in house special sauce for some extra flavor. I will make another video of how to make this sauce, so make sure to check it out. When the chicken is charred in spots, you can remove the skewers from the grill. This is it for today's video. I hope you have a nice Memorial weekend. See you next week. Bye!